Let's be real. Right now, the world feels uncertain. We're not at AGI yet, but AI is already transforming everything around us. Jobs are shifting, markets feel unpredictable, and many of us are asking, how will I stay ahead? Now imagine the day AGI truly arrives. What if instead of working tirelessly, you could use AGI as your personal wealth generator, unlocking new ways to secure real financial freedom? This is the future we're looking at, an age where AGI could redefine who thrives and who gets left behind. Today I'm going to walk you through 30 powerful, sustainable ways to prepare for that future. This isn't about shortcuts or gimmicks, it's about real strategies to ensure you're in control when the AGI era takes off. So, if you're ready to turn today's uncertainty into tomorrow's wealth, hit that subscribe and like button, and let's dive into a new era of financial opportunity. You know how some people seem to just know what stocks are going to blow up? It's like they have an uncanny ability to predict the market's next big move, almost as if they have a crystal ball. These individuals seem to have a sixth sense for market trends, always staying one step ahead of the game. But what if I told you that you could have that same superpower, like they've got a sixth sense for market trends? Imagine being able to predict the rise and fall of stocks with such precision that you could make informed decisions that maximize your profits and minimize your losses. This isn't just a fantasy, it's becoming a reality thanks to advancements in artificial intelligence. Well, with AGI, you can basically have that superpower. AGI, or Artificial General Intelligence, is revolutionizing the way we approach stock analysis. It's like having a team of expert analysts working around the clock, processing vast amounts of data, and providing you with actionable insights. We're talking about AI-driven stock analysis, and it's changing the game. This technology is not just for the big players on Wall Street, it's accessible to everyday investors like you and me. AI-driven stock analysis tools are designed to be user-friendly, making it easier than ever to get started in the world of investing. Forget spending hours staring at charts and graphs, trying to decipher the market's every move. The traditional methods of stock analysis can be overwhelming and time-consuming, but with AI, you can say goodbye to the frustration of manual analysis. AGI-powered tools can analyze massive amounts of data in seconds, spotting patterns and predicting trends that humans could easily miss. These tools use advanced algorithms to process historical data, market trends, and even social media sentiment to provide you with a comprehensive analysis of the stock market. They can tell you when to buy, when to sell, and even which companies are about to hit it big. Imagine receiving real-time alerts on your phone, guiding you through the complexities of the stock market. These AI-driven recommendations are based on data-driven insights, reducing the guesswork and increasing your chances of making profitable trades. Now, I'm not talking about some shady get-rich-quick scheme. This is not about making unrealistic promises or taking unnecessary risks. AI-driven stock analysis is grounded in solid research and sophisticated algorithms developed by experts in the field. These are sophisticated algorithms developed by some of the brightest minds in tech. The technology behind AI-driven stock analysis is the result of years of research and development. It's a combination of machine learning, data science, and financial expertise, all working together to provide you with the best possible insights. And the best part? You don't need to be a Wall Street whiz to use them. These tools are designed to be accessible to everyone, regardless of their level of experience. Whether you're a seasoned investor or just starting out, AI-driven stock analysis can help you make smarter investment decisions. There are platforms out there designed for everyday investors, making it easier than ever to get started. These platforms offer intuitive interfaces, educational resources, and customer support to help you navigate the world of AI-driven investing. You don't need to be a tech expert to take advantage of these tools, so if you're ready to level up your investment game and potentially make some serious cash, AI-driven stock analysis is your secret weapon. By leveraging the power of AI, you can gain a competitive edge in the stock market and achieve your financial goals. We'll dive into some specific tools and strategies in the next section, so stick around because things are about to get interesting. In the upcoming segments, we'll explore various AI-driven platforms, discuss their features, and provide tips on how to make the most of these powerful tools. Whether you're looking to build a diversified portfolio, identify high-growth stocks, or simply stay informed about market trends, AI-driven stock analysis has something to offer. So, stay tuned and get ready to transform your investment strategy with the help of cutting-edge technology. Imagine this. You're chilling on a beach, sipping on a coconut, while your money is working harder than ever before, making you even more money. Sounds pretty sweet, right? Well, that's the power of automated trading bots, and AGI is taking them to a whole new level. These bots are like your personal 24/7 traders, buying and selling assets even while you sleep. They use complex algorithms to analyze market data and execute trades at lightning speed, capitalizing on opportunities that humans might miss. We're talking about making money while you're catching those Z's. Talk about a dream job. Now, I know what you're thinking. Building a trading bot sounds complicated. But here's the thing. It's getting easier than ever thanks to AGI. There are platforms out there that let you create and customize your own bots without needing a degree in computer science. And the best part, you can use them for all sorts of assets, from cryptocurrencies to stocks and everything in between. So, whether you're a seasoned trader or just starting out, automated trading bots powered by AGI could be your ticket to financial freedom. Alright, I love some crazy challenges, but this next money-making idea is next level. We're talking about creating art with AI, you heard me right. AI. These programs are like having a robot Van Gogh in your computer. You can literally type in any crazy idea. A cat riding a unicorn through space, a portrait of a llama wearing sunglasses. Whatever you can dream up, the AI can create it. And the best part? It only takes minutes to generate these masterpieces. We're talking way faster than me editing my last video, and that's saying something. Now, once you've got your digital masterpiece, it's time to turn it into cold, hard cash. Platforms like Nifty Gateway and OpenSea are perfect for minting and selling your AI art as NFTs. It's like eBay, but for digital art. People are making serious bank selling NFTs, and you could be one of them. Think about it, you could be sitting on a goldmine of creativity and not even know it. So unleash your inner digital Picasso, create some mind-blowing AI art, and let's see those dollar bills roll in. Okay, get this. You know all that data you generate every day just by using the internet? Your searches, your likes, your online shopping habits? Well, that stuff is worth a fortune. Companies are desperate for data to train their AI algorithms, and you can cash in on this. Now, before you freak out about privacy, let me be clear. We're talking about doing this ethically and safely. Platforms like Google Opinion Rewards and Swagbucks let you earn money by sharing your opinions and online behavior. It's like getting paid for your thoughts. And the best part is, you have control over what you share. You can choose which surveys you participate in and what data you're comfortable providing. So if you're sitting on a mountain of data, why not put it to work for you? You're already generating it anyway, might as well get paid for it. Alright guys, let's talk about the future of content creation. And no, I'm not talking about me doing even crazier stunts, although stay tuned for that. I'm talking about AI becoming your new best friend for making awesome videos and shorts. Think about it. AI can help you edit faster, create mind-blowing special effects, and even write scripts. Seriously, some of these AI writing tools are so good, they could probably write a better script than Hollywood script writers. Imagine pumping out high-quality videos in half the time with effects that would make Michael Bay jealous. That's the power of AI. And the best part is, you don't need to be a tech genius to use these tools. Most of them are super user-friendly with tons of tutorials and resources available online. So even if you're a total newbie to the world of AI, you can jump in and start creating killer content right away. So, you want to make bank in the age of AGI, right? Well, you're in the right place. Today we're going to explore the fascinating world of AGI ETFs and mutual funds. These investment vehicles are not just for the Wall Street elite, they're accessible to anyone with a bit of curiosity and a willingness to learn. So let's dive in and see how you can ride the wave of artificial general intelligence to financial success. Well, buckle up because we're diving into the world of ETFs, and trust me, this is where things get interesting. ETFs, or exchange-traded funds, are like these baskets of stocks all centered around a specific theme. They offer a way to invest in a broad range of companies without having to pick individual stocks. This can be especially useful in the fast-evolving world of AGI, where new companies and technologies are emerging all the time. ETFs, or exchange-traded funds, are like these baskets of stocks all centered around a specific theme. Imagine you want to invest in the future of transportation. Instead of buying shares in just one electric vehicle company, you could invest in an ETF that includes a variety of companies involved in electric vehicles, batteries, and even autonomous driving technology. This way, you're spreading your risk and increasing your chances of benefiting from the overall growth of the sector. Think of it like this. Instead of betting on just one horse, you're betting on the whole dang Kentucky Derby. This means that even if one company in the ETF doesn't perform well, the success of others can balance it out. It's a way to hedge your bets while still being part of the action. And in the world of AGI, where the landscape is constantly shifting, this kind of diversified investment can be a smart move, and in this case, we're talking about ETFs that focus on AGI and AI technologies. These ETFs are designed to give you exposure to companies that are leading the charge in artificial intelligence, from tech giants like Google and Microsoft to innovative startups developing cutting-edge algorithms. These ETFs cover a wide range of players in the AI space. By investing in these ETFs, you're essentially placing a bet on the future of technology and its potential to transform industries across the board. These babies invest in companies at the forefront of the AI revolution, the ones developing the algorithms that are about to change the world. We're talking about companies that are pushing the boundaries of what's possible with AI, from natural language processing and computer vision to autonomous systems and beyond. By investing in these ETFs, you're not just putting your money into a single company, you're supporting an entire ecosystem of innovation that's driving the future of technology. Now, I'm not talking about some boring old investment strategy here. This is about getting in on the ground floor of the next big thing. Imagine being one of the early investors in companies like Amazon or Tesla. That's the kind of opportunity we're looking at with AGI ETFs. These investments have the potential to deliver significant returns as the technology matures and becomes more integrated into our daily lives. This is about getting in on the ground floor of the next big thing. The world of AGI is still in its early stages, but the potential is enormous. By investing now, you're positioning yourself to benefit from the growth and development of this transformative technology. It's like planting a seed and watching it grow into a mighty tree. The earlier you get in, the more you stand to gain as the technology evolves and matures. Imagine investing in Apple back in the day when they first dropped the iPod. People who saw the potential of that little device and invested in Apple stock back then have seen their investments grow exponentially. The same could be true for AGI. By recognizing the potential of this technology early on, you could be setting yourself up for significant financial gains in the future. That's the kind of potential we're talking about with AGI. The growth trajectory of this technology is expected to be exponential, much like the rise of the internet or smartphones. As more companies adopt AGI and integrate it into their operations, the demand for these technologies will skyrocket. By investing in AGI ETFs, you're positioning yourself to benefit from this explosive growth. So, how do you get a piece of this action? It's easier than you think. With the rise of online trading platforms, investing in ETFs has never been more accessible. You don't need to be a financial expert or have a ton of money to get started. All you need is a computer or smartphone and a bit of research to find the right ETFs for your investment goals. It's easier than you think. Most online brokers offer a wide range of ETFs, including those focused on AGI and AI technologies. You can start by opening an account with a reputable broker, funding your account, and then searching for ETFs that align with your investment strategy. Many platforms also offer educational resources and tools to help you make informed decisions. You can buy and sell these ETFs just like regular stocks through online brokers, and there are tons of them out there, each with its own flavor. Some ETFs might focus on large-cap tech companies, while others might include a mix of established players and up-and-coming startups. By comparing different ETFs, you can find the ones that best match your risk tolerance and investment objectives. Do your research, find the ETF that aligns with your risk tolerance and investment goals, and boom, you're on your way to becoming an AI investor extraordinaire. Remember, investing in ETFs is not a get-rich-quick scheme. It's about making informed decisions and being patient as your investments grow over time. With the right approach, you can take advantage of the incredible opportunities that AGI and AI technologies have to offer. Alright, let's talk side hustles. Forget delivering pizzas. In the age of AGI, you can become a freelance superhero with powers you wouldn't believe. We're talking about using AI tools to boost your skills and offer services that'll make clients say, "Take my money." Imagine being a graphic designer who can whip up stunning visuals in minutes using AI-powered software, or a copywriter who can crank out SEO-optimized articles faster than a cheetah on Red Bull. With AGI, the possibilities are literally endless. And the best part, you don't need to be a tech whiz to use these tools. Many of them are incredibly user-friendly, with intuitive interfaces and drag-and-drop functionality. It's like having a team of virtual assistants working alongside you 24/7. So, what are you waiting for? Whether you're a writer, designer, marketer, or anything in between, there will be an AGI tool out there that can help you level up your game and rake in some serious cash. Listen up. Ever dreamed of becoming an online guru, sharing your expertise with the world and getting paid for it? Well, with the power of AGI, creating and selling online courses has never been easier or more lucrative. Forget those boring static courses of the past. We're talking about interactive, engaging learning experiences that'll make your students feel like they're in a Hollywood blockbuster, all thanks to the magic of AI. Imagine personalized learning paths that adapt to each student's pace, AI-powered quizzes that make studying fun, and even virtual teaching assistants available 24/7. And the best part is, you don't need a fancy studio or $1 million budget to create a killer course. With AI tools, you can record professional quality videos, design stunning presentations, and even automate your marketing efforts. It's like having a whole team of experts working behind the scenes to make your course a massive success. So whether you're a coding ninja, a marketing guru, or a culinary wizard, there's an audience out there eager to learn from you. share your passion, leverage the power of AGI, and watch as your online course becomes a money-making machine. Forget about just using AGI, we're talking about building your own empire with it. Imagine creating the next TikTok or Instagram but powered by the brain of a supercomputer. That's the power of AGI apps, people. Think about it. Productivity tools that schedule your day like a boss, language learning apps that actually make you fluent, or even dating apps that guarantee you'll find your soulmate. No more swiping for days. The possibilities are literally endless. And the best part, you don't need to be a tech genius to make it happen. There are tons of platforms and resources out there that make app development easier than ever. We're talking drag-and-drop interfaces, pre-built templates, the works. This next money-making method is right up your alley. We're talking about becoming the Oprah of AGI, the king or queen of the newsletter game. Imagine having thousands, maybe even millions of people eagerly waiting for your next email, hanging on your every word about the latest AGI breakthroughs, investment opportunities, and mind-blowing predictions. That's the power of a killer newsletter. Now I know what you're thinking, newsletters are so old school. But trust me, they're making a huge comeback, especially in the fast-paced world of AGI. People are hungry for information, and they're willing to pay for it if it's valuable. So, how do you create a newsletter that people actually want to subscribe to? First things first, you gotta know your stuff. Become an AGI expert, devour all the latest research, and develop your own unique insights. Alright, let's talk business. Big business. This next money-making method is for all you entrepreneurial sharks out there who are ready to dive headfirst into the deep end of the AGI revolution. We're talking about becoming an AGI consultant, the go-to expert that companies call when they need to navigate the exciting, but sometimes confusing world of artificial intelligence. Think about it. Every industry from healthcare to finance to entertainment is being transformed by AGI. Companies are scrambling to adapt, but many of them don't know where to start. That's where you come in. You'll be the AGI Whisperer, the one who can bridge the gap between complex technology and real-world business applications. You'll help companies identify opportunities, develop strategies, and implement solutions that leverage the power of AGI to boost their bottom line. Now imagine this. You own an online store, but you can't be there 24/7 to answer questions. That's where AI chatbots come in clutch. These bad boys are like having a whole customer service team working around the clock without the coffee breaks. Think about it. A customer lands on your site at 3 a.m. They've got a question about sizing or shipping. Boom! The AI chatbot pops up, answers their question instantly, and bam! You just made a sale while you were sleeping. And we're not just talking about answering basic FAQs. These AI bots can handle complex orders, suggest products, even offer discounts. It's like having a super-powered salesperson who never sleeps. So, how do you get your hands on one of these money-making machines? Well, there are tons of platforms out there that make it super easy to build and customize your own chatbot. Yo, real estate investors? Ever wish you had a crystal ball to predict the next hot market? Well, guess what? AI is about to become your new secret weapon. We're talking about AI algorithms that can analyze massive amounts of data in the blink of an eye. Think property values, market trends, economic indicators, even neighborhood demographics. AI can crunch all that data and spit out insights that would take humans forever to uncover. Now, imagine knowing which neighborhoods are about to blow up in value before anyone else catches on. That's the power of AI in real estate. You can make smarter investment decisions, minimize risks, and maximize your profits. And listen, you don't need to be a tech whiz to use these tools. There are platforms out there designed specifically for real estate investors, with user-friendly interfaces and easy-to-understand insights. Tired of throwing money at ads that don't convert? Yeah, me too. But guess what? AI is about to change the advertising game forever. We're talking about AI-powered platforms that can target your ideal customers with laser precision. Forget about broad demographics. AI can analyze online behavior, interests, purchase history, you name it, to create hyper-targeted ad campaigns that actually work. Imagine this, someone's been researching sneakers online. With AI, your ad for the latest Jordans pops up while they're scrolling through their social media. Coincidence? I think not. That's AI working its magic. And the best part is, AI is constantly learning and optimizing. It tracks which ads are performing well and automatically adjusts your campaigns to maximize your return on investment. It's like having a personal ad agency working for you around the clock. Did you know you can actually sell to AI companies? It's true. It's called a dataset, and it's basically a huge collection of specific information that AI uses to learn. Think of it like this. If you want to teach a robot to recognize a cat, you gotta show it thousands of pictures of cats, right? Those pictures, that's your dataset. And believe it or not, companies will pay big bucks for that. Why? Because the better the dataset, the smarter the AI. So if you can provide them with unique, high-quality information, you're sitting on a gold mine. We're talking potentially thousands, even tens of thousands of dollars depending on the data. Listen, we all use apps and software every single day, right? But what if I told you that could create the next big thing, powered by AGI, and have people paying you every month to use it? Sounds kind of crazy, but it's totally possible. Think about it. What's something that could make people's lives easier, more productive, or just plain more fun? Maybe it's an AI-powered study tool that creates personalized flashcards and quizzes, or a chatbot that helps you write catchy captions for your social media posts. The possibilities are literally endless. And the best part? With a subscription model, you're not just making a one-time sale, you're building a recurring revenue stream that can generate serious cash flow month after month. Imagine this. What if we could take merch to the next level using the power of AGI? I'm talking about creating a whole product line that's not just cool, but also personalized and interactive thanks to AI. Picture this. You're scrolling through your phone and an ad pops up for a t-shirt that literally changes design based on your mood, using facial recognition AI. Or maybe it's a water bottle that tracks your hydration levels and reminds you to drink up throughout the day. That's the power of AGI. It allows you to offer products that are truly unique and tailored to each individual customer. And trust me, when people see how cool and innovative your stuff is, they're going to be lining up to buy it. In the next section, we'll explore how to be rich in metaverse. You guys, the metaverse is going to be huge. It's like the internet, but you're actually it. And just like in the real world, there's land in the metaverse, virtual real estate. Now you might be thinking it's not real estate, but listen, people are spending millions of dollars on this stuff. We're talking about virtual land where you can build anything. Games, shops, concert venues, you name it. And guess what? AGI is going to change the game. Imagine AI that can predict which virtual neighborhoods are going to be the next big thing, just like in the real world. Or AI that helps you design and build incredible structures on your virtual land. That's the power of AGI, and that's how you can cash in on the metaverse land rush. You know, there are kind of stuff that can make you a millionaire, but here's the thing. Wall Street, they've always had an edge. They have these fancy algorithms and teams of analysts that help them make smart investment decisions. But what if I told you that AGI is about to change all that? Imagine an app right on your phone that uses AGI to analyze the stock market, predict trends, and give you personalized investment advice. No more relying on those Wall Street hotshots. We're talking about putting the power of AI in the hands of everyday people. Now, we've talked about a lot of cool ways to make money with AGI, but here's the thing. AGI isn't just a one-trick pony. It can be applied to pretty much any industry you can think of. Think about it. Healthcare, education, law, manufacturing, even things like farming and construction. AGI has the potential to revolutionize every single one of these industries. And that's where you come in. By specializing in a particular niche and developing AGI solutions tailored to that industry, you can become an invaluable asset. Alright guys, imagine knowing exactly what your customers want before they even do. That's the power of AGI in e-commerce. We're not talking about basic guessing games here. This is next-level prediction. Think about it. With AGI analyzing massive amounts of data, you can figure out shopping patterns, upcoming trends, and what people are going to be buying like crazy in the future. It's like having a crystal ball, but instead of vague visions, you get cold, hard data. This means you can stock up on the hottest items before they even hit the mainstream. No more missed opportunities or warehouses full of stuff nobody wants. Plus, you can personalize recommendations for each customer, making them feel like VIPs. Are you an AGI master? Do you speak the language of artificial intelligence like it's your native tongue? Well, guess what? You can turn that knowledge into serious cash by becoming a freelance AGI trainer or educator. Think about it. Everyone and their grandma is trying to figure out this whole AGI thing. Businesses are scrambling to implement AI tools, individuals want to upskill, and they're all looking for someone to show them the ropes. That's where you come in, my friend. You can offer personalized training sessions, create killer online courses, or even host workshops that'll make heads spin with AGI knowledge bombs. The best part is, you get to set your own rates, work from anywhere in the world, and help others unlock the incredible potential of AGI. Let's talk about a side hustle that's perfect for all you brainiacs out there. If you've got a knack for research, a passion for AGI, and a way with words, then writing and selling white papers is your golden ticket. Now I know what you're thinking. White papers? Sounds kind of boring. But trust me on this one. Businesses are hungry for in-depth information about AGI and they're willing to pay top dollar for it. Think of yourself as an AGI detective, uncovering the latest trends, analyzing the competition, and predicting the future of this game-changing technology. Your job is to package all that juicy knowledge into a clear, concise, and actionable white paper. The best part? You can specialize in specific industries, target companies with tailored proposals, and watch the money roll in as businesses line up to get their hands on your AGI wisdom. We're talking about cashing in on the AGI revolution, and this next idea is huge. Ever watched a tech review and thought, man, I could do that better? Well, now you can, with the power of AI. We're not talking about some boring robotic voice reading off a script. We're talking next-level AI-powered editing, graphics, and insights that'll make your reviews pop. Imagine this, you're reviewing the latest VR headset and your AI generates a 3D model that viewers can actually explore in the video. That's the future of tech reviews, people. And the best part? Companies are willing to pay big bucks to get their products featured in your awesome AI-enhanced reviews. Think about it, you get to geek out on the latest tech, make killer content, and get paid for it. Let's talk social media. It's the key to building a brand, connecting with your audience, and of course making bank. But managing multiple platforms, creating engaging content, and analyzing all that data, it can be a full-time job. Until now. AGI is about to change the social media game forever. Imagine having an AI assistant that can write your captions, schedule your posts, and even analyze your analytics to tell you the best time to post for maximum engagement. No more guessing games, just pure data-driven social media domination. And the best part? You tell me that in the comments section. What's more important than money? Health. And guess what? AGI is about to revolutionize the health and wellness industry, and you can be a part of it. Forget generic fitness plans and one-size-fits-all advice. We're talking personalized AI-powered health solutions. Imagine this. You create an app that uses AGI to analyze a user's sleep patterns, diet, and activity levels, then creates a customized fitness and nutrition plan just for them. Or how about an app that uses AI to provide mental health support, offering personalized meditations and coping mechanisms based on a user's emotional state? The possibilities are endless, and the demand is only going to grow. People are craving personalized health solutions, and AGI is the key to delivering them. Imagine this. You've got a bunch of people hyped about AGI, right? They want to learn, they want to make bank, and they're hungry for knowledge. What do? You host a freaking webinar. Webinars are like the perfect way to connect with a massive audience and share your AGI expertise. Think about it, you can charge for access like $10, $20, maybe even more if you're feeling spicy. People are used to paying for online courses and stuff, so why not a webinar packed with cutting-edge AGI info? Trust me, the earning potential is insane. Now you gotta make sure your webinar is lit. High-quality audio and video are a must, and don't forget to make it interactive. Throw in some Q&A sessions, polls, maybe even some challenges to keep everyone engaged. Remember, the goal is to provide so much value that people are blown away. They need to walk away thinking, dude, that webinar was worth every penny. Alright, let's talk about crowdfunding. It's like the ultimate way to get your AGI startup off the ground even if you don't have $1 million lying around. Platforms like Kickstarter and Indiegogo are filled with people who are passionate about new tech and are willing to invest in innovative ideas. And guess what? AGI is like the hottest thing in tech right now. People are hyped about its potential, which means they'll be even more likely to support your AGI-related project. Think about it, you're not just asking for money, you're offering people a chance to be part of something revolutionary. Now here's the key to a killer crowdfunding campaign. You gotta tell a compelling story. People connect with stories, so don't just list out a bunch of technical jargon. Explain your vision for the future of AGI, share your passion for the project, and let people know why this is so important to you. And don't forget about the rewards. Offer some cool perks for different pledge levels like early access to your product, exclusive content, or even the chance to meet the team. Make it irresistible for people to hit that support button. Well, imagine a whole community dedicated to AGI, where everyone is just as pumped about the future as you are. That's what a paid membership community is all about. You can create a space where people who are serious about AGI can come together to learn, share ideas, and network. We're talking exclusive content, Q&A sessions with AGI experts, maybe even some behind-the-scenes peeks at cool projects. And the best part? People are willing to pay for this kind of value. It's like a VIP club for the AGI obsessed. Think about it, access to cutting-edge information, a supportive community, and the potential to be at the forefront of this technological revolution. You could host monthly webinars with industry leaders, offer personalized coaching sessions, or even organize in-person meetups. The possibilities are endless. Okay, so you're probably thinking, what do templates have to do with AGI? Well, let me tell you, the connection is more profound than you might initially think. AGI, or Artificial General Intelligence, is designed to understand, learn, and apply knowledge across a wide range of tasks. Now, productivity apps are all about making our work lives easier and more efficient. When you combine the two, you get a powerful synergy that can revolutionize the way we work. Think about all the amazing things AI can do. Automate tasks, analyze data, generate creative content, and now imagine harnessing that power within your favorite productivity tools. Imagine having an AI that can not only manage your calendar but also predict the best times for meetings based on your work habits and energy levels. That's where AI-powered templates come in. These templates are not just static documents, they are dynamic tools that can adapt and evolve based on the data they receive and the tasks they are designed to perform. These bad boys are pre-designed workflows, documents, or spreadsheets that are infused with the magic of AGI to make your life easier and your work more efficient. Imagine a spreadsheet that can automatically update itself with the latest data, or a document that can suggest improvements to your writing in real time. We're talking about things like AI-powered meeting agendas that automatically transcribe notes or project management templates that can predict potential roadblocks before they even happen. These tools can save you hours of work and help you avoid costly mistakes. And the best part? You don't need to be a coding genius to create them. With the right tools and a bit of creativity, anyone can design and sell AI-powered templates. There are tons of tools and platforms out there that make it super easy to build and customize your own AI-powered templates. Platforms like Microsoft Power Automate, Google Workspace, and Notion offer user-friendly interfaces and powerful AI integrations that can help you get started. Imagine creating a template for writers that uses AGI to generate article outlines or even entire paragraphs based on a few keywords. This can be a game changer for content creators, helping them to overcome writer's block and produce high-quality content more quickly. Or a template for marketers that uses AI to analyze social media data and suggest the best times to post for maximum engagement. This can help businesses to reach their audience more effectively and boost their online presence. The possibilities are literally endless. From project management to content creation, from data analysis to customer service, AI-powered templates can transform the way we work and help us to achieve more in less time. Now let's dive a bit deeper into how you can start developing these templates. First, identify a specific need or problem that your template can address. This could be anything from automating repetitive tasks to providing insights based on data analysis. Next, research the tools and platforms that can help you build your template. Look for platforms that offer AI integrations and user-friendly interfaces. Some popular options include Microsoft Power Automate, Google Workspace, Notion, and Airtable. Once you've chosen your platform, start designing your template. Sketch out the workflow or structure of your template on paper first. This will help you to visualize the end product and make any necessary adjustments before you start building. Use the drag and drop features and AI integrations offered by your chosen platform to build your template. Take your time to ensure that each element of your template is designed to meet the specific needs or solve the problem you identified earlier. Once your template is built, test it thoroughly. Use it in real-world scenarios to ensure that it works as intended. Gather feedback from users and make any necessary adjustments to improve its functionality and usability. After testing and refining your template, create a tutorial video or user guide to help others understand how to use it. This will make it easier for potential customers to see the value of your template and understand how it can benefit them. Finally, set up an online store or use a platform like Etsy, Gumroad, or your own website to sell your template. Make sure to highlight the unique features and benefits of your template in your product description to attract potential buyers. Promote your template on social media and other online platforms to reach a wider audience. Engage with potential customers, answer their questions, and provide support to help them get the most out of your template. As you start to receive positive feedback and reviews from customers, celebrate your success. Use this feedback to further improve your templates and develop new ones to meet the evolving needs of your audience. In conclusion, developing and selling AI-powered templates for productivity apps is a fantastic way to leverage the power of AGI to make a real impact. Whether you're a content creator, marketer, project manager, or entrepreneur, there's a world of opportunity waiting for you. So get out there, start creating, and watch as your templates transform the way people work. Remember, the future of work is here, and with AI-powered templates, you can be at the forefront of this exciting revolution. Happy creating. And there you have it, folks. 30 mind-blowing ways to make money in the AGI era. We've covered everything from investing in AI-driven stocks to building your own AGI-powered businesses. The future is here, and it's full of incredible opportunities for those who are willing to embrace the power of AGI. So, what are you waiting for? Get out there, start learning, and get ready to cash in on the AI revolution. Remember, the key is to be creative, be persistent, and never stop learning. The world will meet AGI very soon, and if you want to know when, watch this video.